Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 3rd of July. Of course, it's a new week, it's a new month, it's a new quarter, and also the second half of the year. Let's now link up with DailyFX. And today it's Richard Snow joining us, so DailyFX analyst, taking a look at a risk event for the week. What you got for us?
Hi, Jeremy. I'm looking ahead to the RBA rate decision, where depending on where you look, we're either looking for a hike or we're looking for a hold. So markets anticipate we won't be seeing any movement on the rate front, but depending on which economic calendar you use, there is an anticipation that we could still be seeing further rate hikes there. Now, the Australian, the RBA essentially, they've previously mentioned that the arguments for hiking and pausing are finely balanced. So given the fact that we've seen lower inflation data in the interim, well, that certainly suggests that we could still be seeing that decision for a pause going ahead. So taking a look at the charts, if you look at the Aussie dollar currency pair, I'm anticipating a bit of a counter trend move to get better entry levels for a potential short trade here, as the dust settles after that central bank meeting. So looking for a continuation of this bullish move up to round about 0.6680 if we get there, but nevertheless looking for a continuation after the RBA of this Aussie dollar broad decline.
Okay, Richard, thanks so much indeed. Richard Snow with the hike or hold rate decision next week from the Reserve Bank of Australia, looking there potentially for further downside for the Aussie.